Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to be a golf influencer. First, identify your specific niche within the golf world. Are you a swing coach, equipment reviewer, or course vlogger? Your unique perspective will attract a dedicated audience. Next, let your authentic personality shine through in every piece of content. People connect with genuine passion. Finally, commit to consistently producing high-quality, engaging videos and posts that resonate with your viewers. To truly stand out, you'll need to master the art of content creation. Invest time in learning video editing and photography to ensure your visuals are top-notch. High-quality production values make a significant difference. Equally important is engaging with your community. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your followers on a personal level. Consider collaborating with other golf influencers to expand your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Once you've built a solid following, it's time to explore monetization. Affiliate marketing is a great starting point. Share links to golf products you genuinely love and earn a commission. As your influence grows, seek out brand sponsorships with golf equipment or apparel companies. These partnerships can provide significant income. Additionally, consider offering premium content like exclusive swing tips or personalized coaching to your most dedicated fans for an extra revenue stream. For long-term success, continuously adapt and evolve. Stay informed about the latest golf trends and changes in social media algorithms to keep your content relevant and visible. Regularly analyze your content's performance to understand what resonates best with your audience, then refine your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key to maintaining a loyal following. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.